Hantavirus. Hantavirus is a dangerous infection that is spread by rats and mice. These infections stem from the rat feces, rat urine, and rat saliva that is within our neighborhood or environment where we live or where we dwell. And it stems from we trying to clean. And when you clean, people tend to clean and let the dust spread. It starts from that dust. So while that dust spreads, while you are trying to clean that area, you breathe in the dust, the contaminated and infected dust. You breathe that in, and by so doing, you get the infection. And people get that infected without even realizing it. The hantavirus most of the time will start like a regular flu, and what are the symptoms? Some of the symptoms you may experience with this hantavirus may be like fever, body aches, headaches, chill, fatigue. And these are symptoms one will get from a regular flu. And you will think, oh, but I thought what I have is catarrh or runny nose or a mild headache. But you start to feel like you're starting to have chills, like people experienced during COVID. And then suddenly you realize that you are having breathing problems. You are struggling to breathe. And this virus can cause fluid to build up within the lungs, thereby making it hard for breathing. And one of the most important things about this hantavirus is that, and it's quite dangerous about it, it starts like a harmless flu. And like this, very fast, it gets worse. It gets worse very quickly. So if you are cleaning areas with rat droppings and rat urine and stuff, do not sweep dry dust. What I advise you to do, spray the area with disinfectant, wet disinfectant, and carefully sweep. Make sure while you sweep, you wear your gloves. If possible, wear a mask, especially in places where you know that there are rats and there are mice in those places. If you are cleaning those areas, try and use gloves and mask and use wet disinfectant to clean the areas so that you don't breathe in the dust. That is where the danger is. So for more eye care tips, for more health tips, this is Hanging Out with Dr. Honor. Like, follow, share. Thanks.